On this episode of Super Chase Team.
It's gonna grow.
Go, 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 go.
Oh my gosh, look at all the debris.
The season starts out with a bang.
Holy crap. They're gonna collide.
With multiple tornadoes touching down, our storm chasers are in the belly of the beast.
That's big. It's really big.
Holy crap, what the heck?
But when a massive tornado touches down, armored vehicles may not be enough.
Oh!
3, 2, 1, chase! Natwick, graphic design. Cuban, Chase Team 1 leader. Holy, voiceover and leader of Chase Team 2. Johnson, video editor. Super, staff team. We are the Super Chase Team. Join the Super Chase Team Discord server at the link in the description below.
I think it's fully condensed. I cannot spell condensed right. Alright, issuing a warning.
Almost there. Come on. I can see the funnel. It's huge.
291 yards.
I'm already dominating.
He said, yeah.
I got some cool pictures.
I don't know about a probe intercept on this one. This is kind of close.
It's turbulent. Oh no, it's heading right for me.
Yeah,
I gotta
It's
get
gonna
out of here,
direct hit me. It's gonna direct hit me.
We're getting out of
I'm
here.
recording.
We're getting out of here, dude. Is it a wedge? Oh.
Oh wow.
Is it? Yeah, it is a wedge.
That thing is rippling.
I was like, is that a wedge? I thought it was still a cone because I was looking at the bottom right half of it.
In addition to a tornado, large
That thing is.
Oh, that's
Turn around.
It's
Turn
big.
around.
The
Turn
thing
around.
is
Turn around.
0.3 miles and it's 103 miles per hour.
The tornado is intensifying rapidly and headed right at the town of Turlington.
There's no way, dude. No way we're gonna need to get a probe on that thing.
I am recording.
Okay, turn
I have
around
a
again.
feeling the size is gonna be like a mile when it's done.
Dude, get ready to intercept. Get ready to intercept.
Oh, we have
Oh
to.
my
It's gonna
God.
grow. It's gonna grow.
Come on,
It's
come on,
gonna
come
grow.
on, come on.
It's gonna grow.
Go, go,
Oh
go,
my
go, go,
gosh,
go, go,
the
go.
trees are flying. Holy crap.
Go, 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 go. Go, go,
It's
go,
hitting.
go.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
It is hitting
Damage, damage, damage. Got damage.
Oh my gosh, look at all the debris.
From the
Holy
other
crap.
tornado, it's growing a lot. I
Right,
suggest you guys
there's
coming on to this tornado.
I don't know where that sign came from, but okay.
141
that was the front of the billboard.
MPH. I'm guessing it's EF3. It's multi-vortex.
Did it just split up into multiple vortices?
Yep. Oh, look, there's two multi-vortexes at once. Nice.
3. I'm seeing 3.
Where's 3?
Yeah.
What? Are you
He's in the middle
okay?
of the other one. There's no road
seeing
option.
3
anyway,
also.
so we're gonna have to keep going.
As all chase teams head north towards the town of Canton, a satellite tornado spins up to the east of the larger circulation.
almost an EF3, so I wouldn't say
EF3 is an EF3.
There's both of them right over there.
Yeah,
There's
EF3.
multi-vortex
Go,
right
go,
over
go, go,
there.
go, 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 go.
There's
They are both
multi-vortex vortices also.
Just drive.
Are they gonna fly?
Go, 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 go.
I
Are they
don't
gonna
know.
fly?
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I gotta get out of here. I'm dying. Holy crap. Eat my
Oh
Doritos.
my gosh,
Eat
the
my gas
tree
station
is
taco.
What do I do?
Eat my taco.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Oh my god, what do we do?
Tacos out of the sky. No reason.
Holy crap. They're gonna fly. They're gonna fly.
They're gliding.
Oh. Holy crap.
I can't even. What has happened?
What is that thing?
I know. I clocked it out.
One's away. One's a
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm being put into the freaking rotation of this thing.
Is that an EF4 cone? That's an EF4 cone, bruh.
122 miles per hour of that small vortex.
There's a
Look at
cone.
that thing, dude.
No, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Go to
1.5
Greenington.
miles wide.
Go to Greenington. Turn around.
Is
We're
it
not gonna make it to
actually?
that road.
Yes, look at the radar.
Oh, it is. Oh, that's big. That's really big.
This thing is not playing around here.
Tornado go bird.
Multi-vortex.
The other one's
We are
high.
hauling trying to go.
The big one's pretty good.
We got a whole line of vehicles right next to us. Go west. Go west. Go west.
Direct hit.
That thing's a
Dude.
freaking beast.
By the time it gets there, it's
If
gonna be
you
right on top
continue
of us.
chasing this, I'm gonna go to the monster tornado.
195.
Just everybody
Keep going.
go
Here we
to everybody go to Greenington. That's the tornado of the day.
I'm just not gonna say anything.
Imagine getting a
Nah,
probe in this
nah.
thing.
Don't say anything. No one say anything. Just no one say anything until this thing grows.
Imagine,
Just went right
We
into
cannot jinx anything right now.
imagine
Everybody
getting a
not-
probe in this thing.
Central Standard.
Oh, let's cross that.
Imagine
Just assuming
this
the probe
tornado
doesn't just
just-
straight up die.
No.
This is a tornado.
It's coming this way. It's coming this way. It's coming this way. Go. It's coming this way. It's coming this way.
Oh,
It's coming this way.
1.8.
Read.
1.8. Oh,
Tornado's
big.
fast.
Okay, it's big.
Tornado's fast.
2.1.
Tornado's speed up.
big boy.
Holy.
2.3.
Do not stop,
a big
James.
boy.
Do not stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going.
2.4. 2.4. Big boy.
Holy crap!
2.5.
What the heck?
2.5. Big boy. 2.6. Still going. Dude, am I doing it? 2.7. 2.7.
miles
It
away.
might do it.
Dude,
It might do
there's
it.
no
It
way.
might do
Oh my
something.
gosh.
2.7. It is 2.7. It might do something.
Let's go.
Hello, El Reno. Welcome to Roblox. 210 miles per hour, 2.7 miles.
2.8. 2.8.
Oh, I rolled my
2.8. 2.8. Dude.
Oh
2.8.
my God.
2.8, dude. It's 2.8. Look at that. 2.8.
Dude, the suborders he's hitting
Every
the edge of the
tornado
map,
I've
he's gonna
seen that
bounce.
gets this big always goes white. So I kind of want to see if this is gonna do that.
Oh, come on! Oh, it's still strengthening, by the way. It's still strengthening.
I'm gonna get a screenshot. Don't.
You know what I just realized? That other tornado
Really?
we had last time with the 1.6 or 1.7 mile wide EF4, that would have been a 2.9.
Why am I just
Watch out. Whoever is in this mezzanine, they got
239. Yep, there it goes.
Super, get some screenshots while you can.
Yeah, I'm
guys,
getting the
I don't know if-
screenshots.
What?
I don't know if you know.
I am
but there's
recording
one
this
though.
beast. Holy.
Oh!
Turn around.
My truck
242.
flipped! I'm dead.
242,
Turn around. Don't
42.
go to the
45.
tornado. The tornado is gonna flip.
I'm dead. I'm
Dude,
dead.
it's still growing. Turn around. That's
Go.
gonna roll. That
Turn
inflow.
around.
That vortex on the
250 miles
That's
per
gonna
hour.
roll.
248
Tornado's
miles.
chasing. The tornado's chasing us. Go. Mezzanine.
I'm going for an intercept.
Gotta guess.
What the heck is this, dude?
248.
Oh,
Howdy.
Incredibly dangerous.
I got crushed by my own truck.
I'm out. There we go. I got gas.
I'm stuck under my own truck!
53, still going. Solid.
Alright. I'm gonna get a
Okay,
full
never
intercept.
mind. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around because that's a big tornado.
It's bouncing.
I'm stuck under my own
Okay,
truck and I
that's coming
can't get up.
kinda fast. That's kinda.
Go. Run away,
Okay,
run
this
away,
thing is
run
really
away,
big
run
and
away.
it's coming after me, and I don't like that.
Run away.
252 miles per hour, 2.8 miles, yes, it's heading toward
It's bouncing
Grinnington.
back.
A few tornadoes.
It's heading toward Grinnington.
It is basically going 114. Like I'm going the same speed as it.
If my player icon just goes flying, you'll know why. No one
Yeah,
cares
it's
about
gonna
the other
cross right in
tornado. We
front
have
of
a
us, isn't
2.8
it?
mile wide. 253.
Dude,
It might be
not
getting ready to
playing around.
peak. It's going
It is
slow.
not playing around.
Really slowly.
I can barely see anything. I can't see a thing.
256. There we go.
260. It's still growing, dude. 267.
Oh, hey, look, the actual.
Is it gonna hit 2.9 miles?
The subboards don't look
Good.
like subboards.
269. Dude, Greenton is dead.
No, we're stuck.
Okay, here I go. Okay,
Super.
well,
I'm not.
I'm turning around.
I'm not near the tornado, but I'm being currently flipped by it.
It looks like it's headed towards Roblox.
Okay,
Please help
subboards are
me.
getting at like 150.
Please help me.
Right now.
It's
Please
heading
help
towards
me.
Roblox.
271 miles per hour. 271 miles per
Oh,
hour.
I'm dead.
Should I
Okay.
do the
276.
invisibility?
Oh,
276.
damage in Greenington, by the way.
Greenington again.
Yeah, I just died. Died normal.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh.
I think Robloxia is gonna be next. I think Robloxia is being next.
Yeah,
Robloxia is.
dude, it's
Everyone in Robloxia, get away from
I
Robloxia.
honestly don't think if PIV would.
Tornado's coming to
Wow,
Robloxia.
no, really?
Don't
That person's dead. That person's dead. Come inside there. Come inside.
288.
Oh my gosh!
75 ground wind.
Okay, like you, I'm gonna
okay,
get flipped.
well,
Flip down. Flip down.
Problem.
Not just go, just gas. Just go as fast as you can.
If this is
Go, bro, we're not gonna survive here. It's going right towards here. Go.
Getting vulnerable.
No, you're going towards this path. This is not good. This is not
I'm
good.
trying to issue a.
The
For
radar
you.
RSU1 is down. I repeat, RSU1 is
Oh no!
Okay,
no!
Canton may
Yeah, we're
or may
dead.
not just
We're
get
done.
wiped
We're
out.
done.
Go. Just
Why?
go. Just gas.
Infantry.
Gas
I'm glad we didn't go that way because it would have cut us off and we would
it.
have got
Oh,
rolled.
God.
Oh, it's dying fast.
Bye bye, tornado. 242.
You want the glitch?
by a tornado.
No, it's coming this way, dude.
Oh, okay, nice explosion.
Ah! No, not again.
234. And we're
Dude, I
finally
thought this
past
was
the
gonna be a
238.
record breaker.
So first off, can you tell me some of the highlights for this chase for you?
Highlights. I would say one of the main highlights was probably running away from the thing. Not only could you barely catch up to it, but you had to get out of the way once it bounced. And once it grew like a mile and a half wide, it was like, okay, you gotta plan your escape route. And I mean, dude, it was just insane. And if you didn't have an escape route, you were done. Like, honestly.
Yeah, I noticed y'all were screaming a lot in that recording. Reminds me of the 2.2. I mean, so
What a chase.
yeah. So what did you rate that tornado as? What was your final rating?
I would say EF5. EF5 to probably 250.
I mean,
250 to 265.
because my probe was getting 275, but there just weren't the buildings weren't around to actually,
And once we got there, we couldn't really rate it because there was nothing left. So once we got to the damage assessment part in the SAR, search and rescue, there wasn't really much left. So it's like, at what point do you rate just absolute slabs?
Yeah, that's my main issue. How do you feel? How do you feel about? Actually, I shouldn't probably ask that question because I have to do other things. But I just want to know, who do you think did the best in this chase?
I'm not gonna give off like the main people, me, you, blah blah blah. I would say probably James and Max.
I noticed Max got
James was right behind me the entire time. Helped me get out of there. He responded quickly when we needed to escape. And he was pretty good at navigation and knowing how strong it was and how close we could get before it was too dangerous.
Yeah. What about Max?
Max was actually pretty good. He got to mainly places before we did, and he was very mobile.
Yeah, I noticed he was in the Dominator, I think. He was very good at navigating. I didn't really see much of James, but yeah, I
He
would
was in
agree
a
with Max.
pickup truck behind me, I believe.
Yeah. All right, that's all I really have to ask. But so I'm going to stop the recording here, but I have a few more things I'd like to ask real quick. So first off, what was the highlight of the chase for you?
The green intent like moment when the tornado hit.
When it hit? Right then?
Yeah.
Were you there?
Yes, I was.
I remember I was there too. We're gonna have 3 angles of this because Super was in my Dominator, but basically, what happened? What did you see?
For me, I just saw the whole town getting like destroyed, getting wiped off.
What was so? Was there a moment when you just went, "Oh my god, that's something like
Yeah.
that"?
Yeah, I went like that, and I realized the tornado was heading towards me, so I backed up a bit more, and then someone like decided to flip, and they like went round into my Dominator, and I stopped, and I let them inside. Then like after that, like after a while, that I just stayed put and let the tornado pass.
All right. Well, excluding you, who do you think did best during the chase?
I believe it's like mainly you and like Johnson.
Really?
Yeah, both of you guys actually did like okay.
I got lucky. I didn't die.
Yeah, you're lucky. I didn't die also, but my windows were about to break.
Yeah, I just got stuck on a piece of wood, and I was originally thinking I'm gonna die here, but it stopped me from getting rolled. So yeah.
Yeah, you're lucky.
Mm-hmm.
If you enjoyed this episode of Super Chase Team, make sure to subscribe and like this video and join our Discord for future chases and updates.